Welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we are going to see how to select option strike price for Bank Nifty options trading before the market opening. As you all know, our Eco Spike indicator has got the ability to provide buy and sell signals in the Bank Nifty index chart, and the chart, the candlestick what we are using, these are all range bars. It is very important to select proper option strike price and be ready before the market opening. How to do that? Let's see step by step. First, we need to find where the market can possibly open, approximately open before the market opening. For this information, we have a separate video. Please go and watch that video from our playlist. So we can approximately predict, we cannot accurately predict, but of course we can approximately predict where the market can possibly open. In Bank Nifty, out of 20 trading sessions, we can predict to some extent for easily for 17 or 16 trading session. 1 or 2 trading session, it may go out of hand. So for today, 25th of April, the beginning of the active part of May contract, you can see the market had opened around 55,200. Let us assume that we have predicted this market opening, that market can possibly open somewhere around 55,200. Now we want to select the proper strike price. How to do that? This video is for beginners, and if you are a seasoned option trader, you can skip this video, or still you can watch this video for additional information. So on the right hand side, you see the Giga web-based trading platform, where I have selected Bank Nifty with the expiry of 29 March 2025. If 55,200 is the possible price opening, now let us go and see what are all the 55,200. It should be this 55,200 should be the at the money option, right? But for call option side, right, for selecting the call option strike, what you can do, first 2 strikes you can select. One is if you are going to select, first we need to select the round numbers. Whenever we select any option strike in Bank Nifty trading, please try to select the round number, which means that it's end in 55,000 or 500. Always select what? First have in mind, always select a whole number, which means that always select 55,000 or 55,500. Always it ends with 54,000 or 54,500. Why? The reason is very simple. You see, the first column is open interest. Compare the open interest of the whole number with the other. You see, 55,000 has 8.36 as open interest, and if you come back and see 55,500 has 10. If you still go back and see 56,007, but if you compare the other strikes, you see 0.7, 0.9. So the trading activity and volume will always be high in these whole numbers. So point number 1, if you are going to select any strike price for day trading, try to select the strike which has a good volume and liquidity. So assume that 55,200 is the possible price opening. Now for call option, what are the possible strikes we will select? Then if this is 55,200, the nearest one is 55,000, right? You can select this 55,000, or we always advise to select a little bit in the money, maybe like 54,500. So it depends upon your available fund in your trading account. So whenever you select little bit in the money, always the premium is going to be little bit higher. and there is a reason why we suggest or we recommend to select a little bit in the money rather than little bit out of money. The out of money is 55,500. The option price will be a little bit cheaper. If you go little bit in the money, the option you are going to pay a little bit higher for the premium price, but it is worth paying it because we are doing day trading and we are following some signals. The signals are extra fast. Okay, immediately it gives signals and we are ready to catch some 30-50 points and come out of the market. We are not here to hold the position for a long time. So it is recommended to select little bit in the money or the first out of money strike, but not, please don't go beyond that out of money options, because there are chances you need to wait for a long time to get some profit. So since it is day trading, using our eco spike indicator, what you need to do on that, on the left hand side, you see we have selected the call option, that is 45,000 call option and also 48,500 call option. Before the market opening, you need to do all these things. You need to select proper strike price in the watch list and be ready. Now coming back to the put options. When you select put option strike, assume that this 55,000 may be the possible, 55,200 is the possible at the money option. Always go one strike in the money for put option. Please don't go out of money for put option. Always you go what you need to do. Always go one strike in the money for put option, which means that you need to select 45,500 for put option, or little bit if you want to still go deep, you can select 58,000 for put option. We don't recommend going out of money for put options. The reason is very simple. You see the value, if we compare the value of at the money value, see, assume that 54, what is the current price? You see the current price 54,300. So let us see 54,300. So 54,360, maybe 54,400, maybe the at the money. Always the put option value will be little bit lower compared to that of the call option. So it is recommended to go a little bit in the money, one strike in the money for put option, so that you can pick the momentum easily. You can trade with the momentum very fast. It is not wrong that if you don't have fund, you can go one strike out of money in put option, but not more than that. So what you need to do before the market opening, try to find the approximate price opening, select proper option strike and keep it ready in the watch list, because after the price opening you are not going to get any time. Why? Because you see in today's market, I am going to enlarge this, kindly watch the time at the bottom. See how fast our eco spike can give you signal. These are all range bars. After the market opening, the 9:15 itself, 9:15.15 second, right, in seconds it gave a buy signal and it went up few points, and after that 9:17 it gave a sell signal after 2 minutes of price opening, and it ended up in a very good profit, right? Then around 9:27, after 10 minutes it gave another signal, and immediately 9:30 it gave another signal that gave a very big profit. So the first 1 hour after the price opening is very important. That to the first 15 minutes, the first 15 to 30 minutes is very important if you are going to follow these signals for making profit, for doing day trading. So whenever it gives signals, no, we should be ready to place orders immediately corresponding to the signal generated in the index chart. So this is how we are going to correlate the index price with the option price, right? So we should be super fast, not fast, we should be super fast in executing the orders. else we are going to miss the proper entry. If you are going to miss the proper entry, it means that you are going to compromise that with a huge stop loss, right? So what you can do, once be ready, and after the market opening, whenever it gives signals, just press the always keep as a market price, and just place it as a market order, so that the orders will be executed fast, and you can make use of the initial market opening momentum, the force, and you can make profit very easily with our eco spike indicator. So see, finally, to summarize, be fast, right? Be fast. Our eco spike indicator is designed to give you very good signals, there is no doubt in that. But if you are not fast enough to grab those opportunities, so you may end up in having a little bit of higher stop loss levels. So please try to avoid that. So for accurately predicting the market opening, we will put a new video. We have a new video, please go and watch that. Thank you, thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, bye.